Calzones are always so fun. A pizza folded in half, filled with cheeses and some of your favorite toppings. We're testing out calzones in the new Blackstone Pizza Oven. Let's get cooking. The beautiful part of having a Blackstone Pizza Oven to pair with a Blackstone, whether it's the E-Series or your outdoor Blackstone, is that you can make all of your calzone toppings on the griddle and keep them in the fridge for an easy, quick pizza party. For these calzones, I've got some semolina flour, my cooked up sausage and peppers, and I thinly sliced some sweet onion. I've got some ricotta cheese, some freshly grated mozzarella cheese, and some Parmesan cheese. We'll get our Blackstone Pizza Oven preheating. I'm using just a store-bought dough, testing this one out. I've had it in the refrigerator overnight to thaw and to rise. Then I allow it to come to room temperature for about 30 to 40 minutes before cooking. For this store-bought dough ball, I'll cut it in half, giving me 2 calzones. I'll dust my work surface with some flour and semolina and then start to stretch out one half of this at a time. I want to season up our dough itself with a little bit of garlic sea salt, a little oregano, and some parsley flakes. For the first one, we'll fill it with a scoop or 2 of our ricotta cheese, some of our freshly grated mozzarella cheese, a handful of our sausage and peppers, and those raw onions, and of course more cheese, including the Parmesan. We'll fold this in half and then using your fingertips, just press the 2 pieces of dough to seal shut. We'll kind of reshape this into a half moon and then get started on our second one. For my second one, I'm gonna season it up just the same, but I'm gonna go for all cheese, skipping the meat and peppers, making just a traditional cheese calzone. We'll get these up onto our pizza peel, adding some semolina flour to ensure that these slide right off. Before they go in, I'm gonna brush them with some of our extra virgin olive oil, a sprinkle of our Parmesan cheese, and be sure to slit the top a few times so that while these bake, that air can release. Into the pizza oven they go. We'll turn down the heat just a bit to allow these to cook. These are gonna take a little bit longer than a traditional pizza, which in this thing you can cook in 60 to 90 seconds. These, however, took about 4 minutes in total. As soon as they come out, I like to go over the top with a little extra oil, Parmesan cheese, and some dried herbs. Allow them to rest and cool for just a minute before slicing into them. That way you don't lose all of that cheese. And of course, serve them up with some of your favorite pizza sauce. I've got to say I'm pretty impressed with how these calzones came out. I think as long as you shape your dough nice and thin and be sure to really seal your edges, you guys are going to have a successful calzone pizza party. And you can fill them with any toppings you want, riddled off the Blackstone. Get creative with what you fill them with. Invite your friends and family over to help and enjoy. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm Blackstone Betty. Be sure to check out all of the recipes available for you within the Blackstone network, and I will see you guys in the next video.